Let the demolition begin.
Okay. That went yellow light.
Right.
Oh yeah, good, you can see it all. Gotta work out how to...
You can take out all the bottom, that's right. The top should just drop in.
I'm not necessarily sure I want the top just to drop on me, but yeah.
Like what I did it. Okay, let me get the other hammer. Where's the other? There's one sledgehammer rock in there. And then
Like a handle.
a smaller hammer somewhere.
You might be able to use.
Together all right.
I've cleaned it away. So this is solid wall, looks like solid wall, eh? So we can go up to here. Oh, well, we'll find out. So, just hang on.
You reckon that's stone there? There's a hole in it down the bottom.
No, it's thick.
No, that's not stone.
The supporting walls are thick, like 60 centimetres thick.
Are you recording already?
Yeah.
Jesus, I better get going then, haven't I?
Oh, hey, hard hat. Need the hard hat.
Hard hat.
Yeah, is that
Fuck yeah. Holy shit.
So this roof is all coming out. See, that just cracked up through there. Jesus. And let's get hard hat on.
Okay, maybe we'll take this one first, eh?
Yeah,
Here we go, Rob, where's that?
Because you don't want them coming down.
Well, let's bring this down first. Oh shit. Jesus Christ, I think I'm in fright.
Did it land on your head?
Yep.
Lucky the hard hat, eh? Oh, is it on the health and safety briefing? Oh, you're the health and safety manager, aren't you?
If I put your seatbelt like this, if the oxygen mask
Okay,
stopped from
we're
the...
going to do the roof first. Ceiling first, okay?
Yeah.
I'll probably have that on again. Okay.
Shoot, I got a lump on the top of my head.
Well, when you walked into the thing.
Yeah, and it's sitting perfectly on the freaking.
Well, do we have sympathy for someone who injures himself? Don't think so, you know. Right, how does this sucker work? Oh, that just goes up. That's not a frame. That one is good.
That'll come down pretty easy by the sharp team. Yeah. Oh, you don't want it all over your cabinet.
Oh, yeah, I just cleaned up all that bloody mess.
Oops.
Are you guys enjoying the show?
Yeah.
Yeah? That's all good? Excellent. Yeah. I'll show you my tits next. That was a joke.